Dreams come true, y'all. Dreams come true. Woo! First things first, hi, it's your girl C, and today I'm here as a MonBebe and MonTiny. So as you can see the title, you'll know what the hell I'm gonna react to. I'm just so freaking excited right now. I'm not gonna talk for a lot, but I had to say this. When I said dreams come true, as a MonTiny, one of my dreams was a Monty's collaboration, and this shit's happening, y'all. This shit's happening. It's happening. Okay, it's happening, and my MonTiny heart is just beating so fast that I can't even feel it. Anyhow, it's happening. Anyhow, yes. First things, I know that Summer Taste, that's the name of our song. That's the name of our song. Summer Taste is a collaboration between MONSTA, Ateez, Rain, and Brave Girl. So I know MONSTA and Ateez, of course, I stand, and I'm a freaking MonTiny, y'all. And I know Rain because Rain is Shonu's role model. And yes, I have listened to some of their songs because he is the it senior. He's the it senior for MONSTA and many idols out there. And for Brave Girls, I didn't know much about them. I know they're a girl group, and I know the rolling, 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 rolling. I know the song is theirs. The song Rolling is Brave Girls, but that's all I know. So I'm very looking forward to this. And also, this is like the second time I'm grateful for PEPSI. You know, first time is Cool Love. When in 2019 they dropped Cool Love, that was one of the happiest moments in my life, because me as an Hyungwon biased MonBebe, I always wish for like a solo or something of Hyungwon. I mean, at that time, Hyungwon didn't even have that much of lines. So I always hope for those. So, and then all of a sudden, they dropped this, and not all of a sudden, I mean, it was procedure, but they dropped Cool Love. I'm the happiest girl in the world! And not gonna mention, we had DJ H1 in Cool Love as well, and we have DJ H1 in Summer Taste as well. How do I know How do I know this much? I watched the trailer yesterday, and when I was watching, I mean, I wanted to watch it on camera, but I was out when the teaser dropped, and then my friends were like, DJ H1. I mean, no, Besh, I couldn't stay anymore. I just watched it. DJ H1, he's my life. If you don't know, Hyungwon's my ultimate bias. He's everything to me. I mean, I'd do anything for him. Kidding, am I though? Anyhow, 4 minutes kinda in, I'm still not started my reaction. I just wanted to show how much I'm excited for this, and this is a dream. They makes dreams come true. Just drink Pepsi. Just drink Pepsi. And don't trust anyone who drinks Coca-Cola. I'm telling you, don't trust anyone who drinks Coca-Cola. Just trust everyone who drinks Pepsi. They're trustworthy. I mean, at least they're MonBebe, MonTiny, and Rain fans and Brave Girl fans. So, and this shit slaps. Unless like the other one we know. Oops! Am I gonna get cancelled for that? Anyhow, nearly 5 minutes in. Oh, okay. I knocked my hand on my table. Anyhow, just don't mind the background because, anyhow, I don't know. The Starship channel doesn't show the music video yet. I don't know how. It's like, I don't know. I'm sorry. No, Gambler. I'm not here for Gambler. Oh, it's here. It's here. I was gonna watch the 1K video. No, I will watch it later, but for now I need to watch the Starship one. 8 minutes ago, 11K views now. That's the spirit, y'all. Keep the spirit. Okay, let's just... I just see you. No dancing. Okay, no! Okay, let's go. This is gonna be one of my longest video. Warning, I'm gonna stop this a lot, so if you'll have bothers or like has problems with someone stopping a music video while watching it, I suggest that you leave the video. But yeah, anything, just enjoy. Who wants to enjoy? I'm excited. I'm about to lose my mind. How's my volume? Good. My quality? Good. Okay. Rain, MONSTA, Brave Girls, Ateez, collaboration, Summer Taste. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, 잠깐만. Slow down. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm not a Korean or something for just using Korean phrases. I love the Korean culture. Anyhow, I just don't want to get cancelled now. This is a reaction video, not a rant video. So anyhow, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hello? That's Youngwon? That's Youngwon! Yeah, I'm losing my mind. Just backwards. That was Youngwon. That was Youngwon. Yeah, I'm doing fine. Yeah, it's Rain. I am. Oh no. Shono and Hongshin back to back. Leader back to back. Yeah, I'm dreaming. This is real. This shit's ain't real. I give up. Wow. You know, one of the reasons why I decided to do my reaction today standing without like sitting, because I know I'm gonna get too hyper and everything's gonna collapse. But it's just 40 seconds in the video and I'm hyper. I have trouble breathing in here backward. And Changkyun, honey, you have to calm down. Of course, he's the best maknae. They're cute. Oh, puppy! Okay, I love the dance. A little dance they're doing. Okay, Rain. Yes, that's it. You're ready? We got his giggle, yo. I'm losing my mind today. This isn't fight and I'm too hyper today, which isn't healthy, y'all. It's not healthy. We got this famous Hongjoon's giggle in this song, which means this song's special. This is a popular opinion. Oh, it's just my opinion. I don't know. Whenever in a Ateez song there's an Hongjoon giggle, the song slaps. It's gonna be a bop. It's already a bop. Okay. Let's just go back a little bit. Yeah, you're a danger. Okay, stop. First it was leader to leader back to back, and now rapper to rapper. Yeah. I cannot do this anymore. Hongjun and Changkyun back to back. This, I'm living in a dream. I'm dreaming a dream every night. Yeah, I'm fine. You can experience me losing my experience. What the hell is that? You're watching a 19-year-old losing a sanity. the left little bit of, actually, because I'm not a normal person. A little bit back because I wanna. Okay, the body ready. His voice. Hyungwon's voice though. I appreciate the girls. Her voice is honey. Since I don't know much about them, I only know. Ah! Puppy! Okay, I love the dance. Just hold up. It's gonna be the longest video in my channel. I mean, I don't know, because I think I'm gonna lose my mind every MonSta's comeback. The dance. And Rain's that, I don't know what does it Rain say, but Rain is such a cool person. He's a cool human being. I'm definitely gonna practice this dance. And Hyungwon did that. No, Mama! Hyungwon did that. He did that. He did that thing he does with his mouth. That thing, I don't know. I can do that. It's only a Hyungwon thing. And I'm not Hyungwon. Though I'm Hyungwon's girlfriend. Anyhow. Bow wow. Yes, it's follow choreography. Okay, they're wearing the. Okay, so now Rain and Shonu back to back. Yeah, that's it. Shonu is a very successful fan, I gotta say. And I'm sweating. Shonu is the most successful. That hip thing, there's a part like they follow. Yeah, so it's Shonu and Rain back to back. This is a dream come true. I'm sweating. Hi, it's your good see. This is that. Rewind. Oh. You see, I'm a mess. I'm a loser. Anyhow, we got Hyungwon. I mean, DJ. We got DJ H1 and Shonu in a crop top. This is too much to handle, and Yuno's dancing. That's what I don't have breath. That's one of the most attractive things ever. And I'm a pain in the ass today. I'm sorry. Pain in the ass, I would say. I wanna cry. That DJ1, let's go. I love the move. I'm living my MonTiny life, y'all. That crop top. Okay. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm sorry, you guys can't see me. As you guys can see, I lost my sanity, which I don't have a problem with. Okay, it's saved. My screen recording is saved. Otherwise, okay, anyhow. As you can see, I lost my sanity over and over again, and I think I have to go find my brain now. Drink Pepsi. Drink Pepsi. Yes. This shit's up. The song in general, it has this like summer vibe, but also that EDM vibe, EDM vibe. And I don't have much to say. I feel like I'm still dreaming with the whole collaboration thing. I feel like I'm speechless, to be honest. This is a bop. Yeah, this is a bop. And I love Pepsi. Like I said, trust people who drink Pepsi. Don't trust people who drink Coca-Cola. I'm telling you. No offense though, I'm just being the best stan you can find. A MonTiny stan fan, anyhow. Yeah, we all are successful fans here. I, as a MonTiny, a Monbebe, and a Natiny, I am successful. My dream became a reality. And Shonu, as a little Rain fan, was a successful fan before, but now he just keeps getting more and more song with his role model, like. And I've seen MONSTA X do this rolling, I don't know. And for Brave Girl fans and who are also Monbebes, this might be a huge thing for them too. I'm not a big fan of girl groups, but I like that song too. That song just slaps. Those girls were cute, they were pretty, they were beautiful. The boys were shining as hell, and Mr. Rain. Rain on me, sir, please. Shonu crop top, Hyungwon vocals, what are those? Are those even real? They are. It's just he's the world and we're living in it. It's happening. It's happening. I'm fine. I'm not fine. So I'm just gonna keep listening to this over and over again. And one thing, if y'all know, if someone who's watching this knows me personally or something, and if y'all want to like impress me, just bring me a damn Pepsi and I'll be impressed. If you say you drink Coca-Cola in front of me, just get lost. No offense, but everyone has different tastes. My taste is this Pepsi. Okay, anyhow, I couldn't find a can, so I just brought a freaking bottle. Anyhow, and not. Some people might say, oh, she's like she likes Pepsi just because for the sake of MONSTA X and Ateez. No, I've been liking this ever since I can remember, mainly because this tastes better, to be honest. And my mother knows that my parents actually knows that if I don't get Pepsi or something, that I'll start throwing a fit or something. Because I can remember once, this is just, I'm now ranting, you can exit the video or anything. So once we were having like a barbecue party at our place. So it was just the 4 of us. That means me, my brother, my mom, and my dad. And so they know that just because of me, they only bring Pepsi to our house. But if they go outside, they do drink Coca-Cola and stuff. And she was like, that day, fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know, there was only one Pepsi bottle left, and the rest was just Coke. So my mom was like, we should take this to her, otherwise she'll start throwing a tantrum. She'll go berserk. She'll throw a fit if we bring her Coca-Cola. And I mean, this is my love for Pepsi, and as well, and obviously my love for MonSta, and now Ateez as well. MonSta's been promoting Pepsi for some time now, and I mean since 2019 or before. I don't know. I'm a fan since 2018 November. Yeah. So yeah. I mean, sometimes when I'm in my feels, I just take a Pepsi and I listen to For the Love of It, Cool Love, and I do sometimes listen to a Daniel song as well. Daniel ex Zico song. I can't remember the title of it, not gonna lie. I do listen. I mean, the Pepsi songs just slaps. And yesterday I even talked this with my friends. Just imagine they keep a Pepsi concert again. Good, the lineup is gonna be crazy as hell. Ateez, MonSta, Brave Girls, Rain, and maybe Daniel and Zico, and hello? Insane, y'all. I'm just gonna end my video because this shit's gonna be like 23 seconds or something. Anyhow, I mean, it's 22 now, so I will keep talking for some, and then it'll be like 23, 24. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed my mental breakdown reaction of Summer Taste. Summer Taste is gonna be my favorite song for a while. So like I said, I'm living my MonTiny life right now. Don't bother me. I'm gonna cry in my corner there. Oh, there. You can't say there. I'm gonna cry and listen to Summer Taste over and over again, and we'll finish this with me and my friend. I have a friend at home. I know she's going crazy now. I've been screaming for some time now. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Hope you guys have a great day or night. Just stand MonSta, stand Ateez, stand Rain, stand Brave Girls, and stand Pepsi. I stand Pepsi. I love it. Anyhow, bye.